credit deal, what go on?
Hey, what go on? Everything blessing out.
I wrong way I shake my hand, man.
Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that.
You know the thing, alright, me not problem, Virgin. See? As the Dancehall Gorilla, I need the world to hear my music, but the thing costs money, Virgin.
Right.
I'm a lot money, but I hear about the real credit deal, but can fix my credit so I can get access to funds. Oh, you can't help me with that, Virgin.
Yo, we have a whole heap of ways we can help you, you know.
Yeah.
But here what we're going to do. I pull up your credit score before you came.
Yeah.
Right now you're in a very poor position.
Poor, what that mean?
Passing over opportunity repeatedly.
Jesus
However,
Christ.
for you, you're in a great position, right? You see this 400 credit score, our goal is to bring it up towards a 700 plus.
Can't go
You
800.
Can't go 800,
more,
but this is not 800, that will take time. It will
Money.
take money and time. So right now we're going to get it to the point where you can get the money, right?
Yeah.
You can get the funding. So we're going to position you by getting you the detailed analysis. We're going to look at your credit report. We're going to make sure that everything is ordered. We're going to mail the letters out on your behalf.
Okay.
We're going to do all the paperwork for you, right? All you have to do is just continue to entertain your fans.
Yeah.
Continue to be an amazing
At
celebrity.
least that, man.
Hold on there. Girl, who that tonight, man?
Yeah, ask about me, fam.
How about him, man? Chip chop that, man. Chip chop have a good credit score.
Good. Alright, cool. So what we're going to do once we get to that point, give us about 3 to 6 months, right? You can be before that. Our goal is to get you to 100 points or more within your first 90 days, right?
But that more, Virgin, cause it rough, you know?
The rough man.
I
all
have
that
to pay a
road.
DJ selector. The whole of them me message me say, yo, how can I get my music heard? DJs want $400 or $500. I pay a radio station over there, you know. And at one time them play my song on the station, Virgin.
Alright, man.
And then I play it for 6 months. I link the influencers them, the whole heap of comedian them out there like, I laugh all over social media. Them want $300 for do one look a stupid video. I tell the people them about my songs and them thing there. Selectors, radio station,
Let's see
TV.
people them might eat off for you, man. We need
I
to
wouldn't
know.
come out. I mean, it's a young artist,
tell you
just
what.
a try to make
Tell
it
you what,
a
we'll
business.
get your funding
Yeah.
within 6 months, right? We're going to put you in a position where you now become your own bank.
We need a $10,000 to $20,000 for drop
That's
my album.
soft, man. That's simple. We can get that done for you.
That
Alright?
ready for real
So,
credit
make
deal.
it get it done.
Make
Hold
the
on,
thing
man.
happen.
Hold on. The girl handshake. Oh, whoa.